Okay, so we're doing we're going to be doing that giveaway tonight. All you gotta do is comment on this video, whether it's on YouTube or if you see it on Facebook itself. Comment on there, and I'm gonna pick the winner. That's the Coal Motor Freedom Truck Meet down in Van Wert in September the 10th, 11th, and 12th. It's gonna be a 3-day weekend pass. It's not camping, just 3-day weekend pass. It's gonna be hella good time. Burnouts, drinks, music. Camping if that's what you want to do, but these passes, like I said, won't get you that. Tug a truck, and there's a couple other things as well. Like I said, look them up on Instagram or YouTube, and definitely Instagram, because that will give you all your details that you need to know. Yeah, good luck. So we're making our way down to Daytona, Florida for the truck meet. We have, let's see where we're at here. We got the Buick F-250 back there on the trailer. There we go. Anyway, yeah. We're making our way downtown. we're somewhere in Virginia and decided to call it a night. Slept in the Yukon, and let me tell you, it's not bad sleeping in the Yukon. I'm quite shocked. Had a pretty nice sleep. So we're actually at the Welcome Center in Virginia. Let's see. Can you even see that? Yeah, Welcome Center in Virginia. Bunch of people just looking, taking pictures of the old Buick F-250. But it's time to get back on the road. Let's do this, boys. Let's get to Daytona today.
In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
Wondering why we had a big old traffic jam for the last 5 miles. Somebody just don't know how to drive. As I'm using a camera driving. I mean, in the passenger seat. Yep, he's a good one. Taken by all this traffic jam stuff is don't drive in South Carolina. It's not worth your time. See, we're still in South Carolina. We're almost to Georgia. And then there's that. Because people can't drive. Ladies and jerks, oh my lord. Oh, the sun down here in Daytona is just, it's beautiful. We're here at the Home Depot. We kept this baby here overnight because there's no parking here for trailers or anything. So luckily we found one today. We're gonna go put it in a storage unit. Yeah. Made our Yukon is an absolute beast. This thing surprised the heck out of me. $2,500 for this thing. Yes, it is a 2500 Yukon XL. Thing is just a beast. It's got the 6L in it, of course. Couldn't be happier with it. So we're gonna go get this off the trailer, go cruise around Daytona, and probably go to jail today at some point. So look forward to that. So we out here in this parking lot full of daddy's money, and then there's this right here. Look at that. Parked next to some nice trucks and whatnot. Got the rims on it. We got this hillbilly thing from Ohio. It is what it is. I guess we gotta represent. get you a little footage. Ain't getting too much good footage right now. We've been driving around, but from our hotel, and you can see pretty well. Well, finally made it onto the beach.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our growlings when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the monsoon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. down to mess me up. Tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drive me around in your red Ford. Shivers down my spinal cord. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep on it. And I don't need to speak a single word. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes sound funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep on it. And I don't need to speak a single word. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes sound funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word. 'Cause you got me holding, holding.
See? It's nothing but a bunch of damn kids. Now they're blocking up the road. Cops everywhere. That's why we gotta walk. At least they got good music for our travels. Halfway, half of them are blown speakers. Well, we come in for food and power went out. Yeah, at least we get these complimentary. Some red wine. Power ended up coming back on. We got our barbecue. Some stuff for free yet with it, just for the inconvenience. Now we're back in the town. It's getting wild. Burnouts are happening. Cops are rolling. Music's getting worse. This crap. That's terrible. Just awful. Oh, wait a minute. Not going there tonight. Out here having an ocean day, beach day. It starts to try to storm on us. Come on, Florida. Look at that. Yeah, this right here is about how dark it is right now. Making everybody get off the beach. Aw, he got Daddy's diesel stuck in the sand. People like this are why people like me can't go on the beach. Bunch of idiots. Slowest drag race ever. So just go ahead and remind you guys that we're doing that giveaway tonight. And well, that's the end of the video. That's all I had. Everything else was crap, or I was gonna get monetized. And we don't want that. So yeah, good luck on that giveaway, guys.